Hello there, this is Suresh here. In this video, we are going to look at the best e-commerce audience targeting which helped me to get a results. You can also use the same audience targeting to get a results for your e-commerce business. So let's get started. First, we are going to look at the people who already added to cart but not purchased. Here, we are going to target the people who already visited and added the product to cart. Due to some reason, they left without making purchase. If we retarget them again through the dynamic ads, we are able to convert them as a customers. You can set the time period like people who added to cart in the last 3 days or 5 days. If you are having more traffic, you can use just 3 days. If you are having less traffic, you can retarget the people who added the product to cart in last 10 days or 15 days. Then next one, people who viewed 2 times. People who ever visited and viewed a product 2 times or 3 times, they have interest on the product, they want to get it. Because when people are visiting for the first time, they may not know why they visited. But when they are visiting for the second time or third time, they have an interest and also they know about our product or service. So if we retarget the people who visited 2 or more times in last 10 days or 30 days, we are able to convert them as a customers. Here also same, if you are having enough traffic, you can just retarget the people who viewed in last 10 days. If you are having a less traffic, you can retarget the people who viewed 2 or more times in last 30 days. Next, we are going to look at the purchased users. These customers already your audience, so no need to spend much money on these peoples because already they know about your brand or product. Just we can use the reach objective to reach them again. We can use this audience whenever we want to run a flash sale or whenever we want to cross sell our product. Here you can use just a reach objective to reach them again. In fact, I have used a reach objective people already purchased from us. It helped me to get a results. Last one, lookalike audience. When you have the existing purchased users, you can use that to reach new people. It will help you to reach the people who similar to your existing customers, and also if you are choosing a conversion objective, it will reach to the people who more likely to take action. If you have the enough purchasing data, you can use that to reach new people and you can convert them as a customers. If you are not having the enough purchase data, you can use this added to cart or initiate checkout audience as a custom audience. By using this lookalike audience, we can reach the new people and we can convert them as a customers. I hope this video helped you to understand about the top audience targeting, which will help you to get more sales. Thanks for watching.